Hey, Tampa business owners. Does your IT team ever feel like they're drowning in tickets, updates, and constant interruptions? You don't need to replace them. You just need to give them backup. That's exactly what Hero's co managed IT services deliver: local expertise, enterprise tools, and 24/7 coverage that strengthen your internal IT team instead of replacing it. So, what exactly is co managed IT? It's a hybrid partnership where your in house IT staff keeps control but gains Hero's resources, experience, and support. Think of it like having an entire IT department standing behind your existing team, ready to assist whenever and wherever needed. You stay in charge. Hero powers the tools, monitoring, and expertise that make your team unstoppable. For a lot of Tampa businesses, IT departments are stretched thin. They're handling user issues, cybersecurity, system upgrades, all while trying to stay compliant and plan for growth. It's not a lack of talent, it's a lack of time. That's where Hero steps in to take pressure off your staff and give them the backup they deserve. What makes Hero's co managed IT different? We're not a faceless call center or an out of state provider. We're right here in Tampa Bay. Our local engineers work side by side with your team, on site or remotely, to deliver fast response times, proactive maintenance, and personalized service that national MSPs can't match. With Hero's co managed IT services, you get 24/7 network monitoring, enterprise grade cybersecurity, advanced automation and reporting, help desk overflow support, and direct access to a team of certified engineers right here in Tampa. It's like adding an entire department without increasing your headcount. Your IT team doesn't lose control, they gain strength. We help your existing staff focus on strategic initiatives like cloud adoption, digital transformation, and user experience, while Hero covers the day to day tasks that bog them down. It's teamwork that builds confidence, not dependency. We've helped Tampa law firms tighten compliance, medical offices improve security, and engineering firms eliminate downtime. Every business faces unique IT challenges. Hero tailors our co managed approach to fit your exact needs. It's not just support, it's a partnership designed to help your business grow. Cyber threats are growing every day, and small businesses are prime targets. Our Tampa based cybersecurity team provides 24/7 monitoring, endpoint protection, and response tools used by enterprise organizations, all included in your co managed plan. We keep your data safe, your users secure, and your team stress free. Maybe you just need help desk overflow. Maybe you need advanced cloud management or someone to manage compliance and patching. With Hero, you decide what we handle, and we scale as your business grows. That flexibility is what makes co managed IT so valuable for Tampa companies. When your business needs help fast, proximity matters. Hero's Tampa engineers can be on site quickly when needed. You're not waiting for someone across the country to respond to a ticket. You're working with real people in your community who understand your technology and your business. If your IT team could use backup, it's time to talk to Hero. Schedule a free consultation to learn how co managed IT services can give your team the tools, security, and support they need to thrive. Just click the link below to get started today. At Hero Managed Services, we believe strong IT doesn't start with technology, it starts with people. Our goal is to empower Tampa businesses by supporting their teams, protecting their data, and simplifying the complex world of IT. When your technology runs better, your people perform better. And that's what makes Hero more than a service provider. We're your IT partner for the long haul.